These vegetables grow back for 20 years without replanting. They survive droughts, frost, and total neglect. And by the end, you'll know the 3 that taste better than anything in your grocery store. Plus the one mistake that kills them for beginners. Number 1 is Good King Henry. This is spinach that grows itself for 15 years. You plant it once. It comes back every spring. No replanting. No fertilizing. No watering after it establishes. The leaves taste like spinach but richer. You harvest from April to October. It thrives in shade. It tolerates poor soil. Victorian gardeners grew this everywhere. Then spinach marketing killed it in the 1900s. Number 2 is sea kale. This survives salt spray, freezing winters, and sandy soil. The shoots taste like asparagus mixed with broccoli. You harvest them in early spring by covering the plant to blanch the stems. Once planted, it produces for 10 to 15 years. Give it space. It grows into a large clump. But after year 2, you're harvesting every spring with 0 effort. Romans ate this. Medieval monks grew it. It disappeared when asparagus became cheaper. Number 3 is lovage. This is celery that grows 6 feet tall and comes back for 20 years. The leaves, stems, and seeds all taste like intense celery. You use them in soups, stews, and stocks. Plant it once. 0 maintenance. It survives frost, drought, and shade. You harvest leaves all season. And unlike celery, you don't need to blanch stems or worry about bolting. Every medieval kitchen garden had lovage. Then celery took over because it looked better in stores. But here's the thing. These 3 are just the easiest. The next 3 taste better than anything you'll find in a supermarket. Number 4 is skirret. This is a root vegetable that tastes like sweet parsnip mixed with carrot. You plant it once. It grows in clumps. You harvest the roots in fall and winter. The roots are white, finger-sized, and incredibly sweet when roasted. Medieval banquets served skirret as a delicacy. Tudor kings demanded it. Then potatoes arrived and everyone forgot about it. It grows in any soil. It needs no care. And the flavor is so unique, once you try it, you'll wonder why it disappeared. And number 5 we have rainbow tubers. This is a tuber from South America that tastes like lemony potato. It's tangy, crisp, and slightly citrus flavored. You eat it raw, roasted, or boiled. The plant looks like clover. It produces tubers underground in late fall. It's frost sensitive, but in mild climates it's perennial. In cold climates you dig it up and replant like potatoes. Incas grew this for thousands of years. New Zealand gardeners still grow it. But North America and Europe forgot about it because potatoes were cheaper. The flavor is incredible. Nothing else tastes like it. Number 6 we have yacon. This is a root that tastes like apple mixed with watermelon. It's sweet, crunchy, and juicy. You eat it raw. It's incredible in salads. The plant grows 6 feet tall. It produces tubers underground that you harvest after frost. It's low in calories and high in prebiotic fiber. It was a staple in the Andes. Western gardeners barely know it exists. But once you taste it, you'll grow it every year. Now these 6 are amazing. But the next 2 are the ones that will shock you. Because they grow like literal weeds. Number 7 is patience dock. The name tells you everything. Plant it and wait. It handles neglect better than any vegetable I know. The leaves are tangy like sorrel. You use them in salads, soups, or cooked like spinach. It grows in full sun or partial shade. It doesn't care about soil quality. And it self-seeds, so you'll have it forever. The only downside is it spreads aggressively if you let it go to seed. But if you harvest regularly, it stays controlled. Medieval Europeans ate this before lettuce was common. Then supermarkets wanted something that shipped better. Number 8 is sea beet. This is the ancestor of all beets, chard, and spinach. The leaves taste like chard but more robust. You harvest them all season. It grows wild on coastlines. It tolerates salt, wind, and poor soil. It's perennial. Once planted, it's there forever. And it self-seeds, so you'll always have it. Ancient Greeks ate this before they bred it into beets and chard. Then commercial farming wanted uniformity and forgot about the original. Number 9 we have arach. This is spinach's wild cousin. And it's easier to grow. It tolerates heat better than spinach. It doesn't bolt as fast. And it self-seeds, so you plant it once and it comes back every year. The leaves are mild and slightly salty. You eat them raw or cooked. There are red, yellow, and green varieties. The red one looks stunning and tastes incredible in salads. Ancient Greeks grew this. Vikings grew this. Then spinach marketing buried it because RH doesn't store well for shipping. And now for the final one. This is the vegetable that survives conditions that would kill everything else in your garden. Number 10 is cardoon. This is artichoke's cousin. But instead of eating the flower, you eat the stems. The stems taste like artichoke heart when blanched and cooked. Rich, nutty, and slightly bitter. The plant is massive. It grows 5 feet tall and wide. It's a perennial in mild climates. Spanish and Italian gardeners still grow it. French gardeners grow it. But English-speaking countries forgot about it entirely. It's dramatic looking, low maintenance, and the flavor is complex. If you like artichokes, you'll love cardoon. It survives drought. It survives poor soil. It survives neglect. This is the ultimate lazy gardener's vegetable. So why did all these vegetables disappear if they're so easy to grow? 3 reasons. 1. Supermarkets wanted vegetables that looked perfect, stored for weeks, and shipped long distances. These vegetables don't do that. 2. Seed companies stopped selling them because demand dropped. If no one's buying seeds, they stop producing them. 3. Gardeners forgot how to grow them. Once knowledge is lost for a generation, it's hard to recover. But here's the truth that seed companies don't want you to know. These vegetables are easier to grow than what's in your garden right now. They don't need fertilizer. They don't need pesticides. They don't need constant watering. They grow like weeds. And they taste better than anything you'll find in a store. Now here's the one mistake that kills these for beginners. They treat them like modern vegetables. They overwater them. They fertilize them. They baby them. But these vegetables evolved to survive without humans. They're wild plants that were barely domesticated. If you overwater them, the roots rot. If you overfertilize them, they grow weak and leggy. If you plant them in rich soil, they actually produce less flavor. The trick is to plant them and ignore them. Give them decent drainage. Give them some sun. Then leave them alone. The more you interfere, the worse they do. This is the opposite of tomatoes or peppers. These vegetables want to be wild. Treat them like weeds and they'll thrive for decades. So now you know 10 forgotten vegetables that grow easier than anything in your garden. You know the 3 easiest. The 3 best tasting. The 3 indestructible ones. And the final one that survives anything. You know why they disappeared. And you know the one mistake that kills them. Most of these you can still find seeds for if you search heirloom seed companies. Some are harder to find. But they're worth hunting down. Now if you want me to break down exactly how to grow each of these step by step, hit subscribe. Because I'm bringing back the vegetables supermarkets killed. And every week I'm covering one that actually works for lazy gardeners. And if you've grown any of these, drop a comment and tell me which one. Because I want to know who else is keeping these alive. Your garden doesn't have to look like everyone else's. Grow what actually works.